Please pray for my life because I'm watching the both one. Pag narinig mo yung screaming of thousand wings, sabihin andito na yun. Pag nakita mo lang yung no evil shall befall you.
Sorry.
Ganyan lasa?
Sugar.
Lasang manok?
Lasang manok. Sugar.
Ano yun? Line.
We all know about it. Here in Pennsylvania, it's not as common, but still something to look out for.
Sabi ko sa...
Thousands. The evil shall must be break out of the world. Oh, naririnig ko na yung scream.
Hoy!
Hindi nanonood ako.
Poison oak,
Screaming.
Why are you getting my phone?
imagine that. In China and Taiwan, one of these invasive species lands right on Earth.
Cow.
So it's found here both, as many of us know,
You're on a whole new level. Go easy on me. They came to meet, didn't they?
Yes, they did. But you love the telescope.
Watch it. I think she's going up now. Okay. We'll take it.
Kuya Mai! Saan si Kuya Mai? I don't want to watch it. Please pray for my life, viewers. Please pray for my life. Viewers. Broadcast 812. Broadcast. and you're
Kala ko yung remote ko. Tapos na.
Akala ko
Natakot ako!
Akala ko bukas yung dito isa.
Natakot ako! Nanonood ang boiled one dito eh.
Grabe dilim ng langit.
Ha?
Ibang bato yan, baka bayaw mo lang yan.
I'm scared.
Bagsak si Tito Miranda niya kay Abad eh.
Dati nun eh.
Kala niya makukuha niya si Abad ng ganun-ganun lang.
Baka na dati sa may ano, sa may landmark, kahit sila namimilihon.
Kala niya makukuha niya na si ano yan eh, pang on-style na babae yan. Kay Abad. Kasi si Neri Naik eh, ano yan eh. Laki sa ibang bansa eh.
Hello, Mr. I'm Officer Gomez.
Very tindi si Neri
Hope you're
Naik.
doing well today.
I hear.
Do you mind if I ask
Oh,
you a
tagal
few
na nila, bago
questions
sila
regarding your
nagwala.
condition and possibly
Dati hindi sila wala nangyayari sa
uneasiness within
kanila.
your home that your family had mentioned? Okay, first and foremost, did you notice any onset symptoms before you lost complete mobility of your body? Face, huh? When did you begin seeing this face? Interesting. Many of the people who have seen the broadcast that you saw on August the 13th described having vivid and upsetting hallucinations. Do you think this is something your brain has created? Have you been having any hallucination aside from the face? I'm sorry to hear that. Are these screams constant? Thank you. You shedding light on this is helping more than you.
Did that change? Wonderful day. The miracle of birth in petal panther. Listen
closely.
What is that?
Do you hear it? You will hear the laughter of thousands as the sky opens up.
The screaming of
You will hear the trumpets play their happy sounds. The blood of life will pour down onto us all. Together, we will be still. Together, a feast for food. Together, welded by love and purest connection. Be still.
The screaming of thousands. If you can see this on screen, it means it is not safe to continue viewing. The program will end shortly. No evil shall befall you, nor shall any plague come near your dwelling. No evil shall befall you, nor shall any plague come near your dwelling. No evil shall befall you, nor shall any plague come near your dwelling. That was scary. Time for all the compilations.
Despite this sub-reality being detached from main reality, an incident took place which created a temporary tear between the two. A man residing in the headless macrocosm was walking through a field with a small house in the center. Upon reaching the house, the man unintentionally brushed up against one of the fleeting puppies.
Mama,
Sa,
pwede ko pinodin pag pinunod ko yung two of the scariest videos. Pinapanood ko na yung two of the scary videos. Yung first yung Bold One, puno mo naman. Tapos yung ano, the Audi compilation, Instant One, yun. Pwede? Yun yung dalawang nakakatakot. Ito lahat yan na nakakatakot.
bahala ka.
Napanood ko
Panoorin mo, basta huwag ka na matakot.
Hindi na naman yung has this ever happened to you. All the lights. Pero mo kasi
Shortly after the photo was taken, what was left of Tedford's existence was removed from the premises and taken to an upscale anomaly testing site. Apparently, this corpse was attempting to try off of his existence. These breathing bodies appear to be in a constant state of yearning to reconnect with the roots of reality again, as they have been taken a hold of by a dangerous and contagious disease. This disease appears to be non-existence itself. It can affect anyone on Earth at any time, and once it takes hold, the headless macrocosm deems you valid for residence within its endless meadows, filled with fellow patients. But don't worry, it's a rare diagnosis. Another fun fact. Occasionally, grid man-made structures will form seemingly out of nowhere in order to correspond with the structures on parallel Earth. As mentioned earlier, the headless macrocosm itself functions like a digestive tract of the universe.
After this, you better subscribe. Because this is good. Yeah, you better subscribe.
Screwed on tight. Great, because you might want to hang on tight to it for this next one. The obelisks of enlightenment are a collective of monolithic beings that are currently residing in different remote locations across the world. Also known as the Fathers of True North, they appear in groups of 1 to 8 and stand anywhere from 10 to 150 feet tall. Each obelisk is levitated just barely above the ground and facing geodetic north. Though most of them reside in remote fields and deserts,
Pinapanood ko yung last videos. Pero mo ko.
triangle uneven of the moon. They are moving just ever so slightly and progress approximately 2 inches forward a year. These obelisks are enlightened in the infinitely vast secrets of the universe, and they're constantly vocalizing the excess information as a means of ways to counteract the overwhelming intake of knowledge.
Nobody
Though
has
currently enclosed and
got
monitored by government entities,
to the moon. There's nobody
this alluring emanating
got
from
to
these
the moon.
obelisks induces a massive increase in general intelligence and subjects listening. Folklore often refers to the frequency as the song of the divine contour. Each obelisk's biological elements are unraveled thousands of feet into the sky to make up
Oh.
an ability to comprehend the sacred information. Talk about being open-minded. Whenever a subject is able to comprehend this knowledge, they are biologically absorbed into the obelisk, becoming wholly unified with the being. It is not entirely understood how these anomalies were brought into existence, but they seem to be tears in the fabric of reality akin to black holes. Many speculate that these crypts were opened by ancient giants who were dissatisfied with a lack of Earth's knowledge. Many unnaturally large humanoid skeletons have been found underground adjacent to obelisk sites, further supporting this idea. When the obelisks made their debut on Earth, they aided in the construction of the pyramids of Giza by bestowing digestible levels of sacred knowledge onto Egyptian pharaoh Khufu after he was lured into the desert by their beckoning chords. This knowledge would help Khufu rationalize a possible blueprint and method for building these grand tombs, and they were made into the shapes of pyramids as a tribute to the divine structures. All in all, these obelisks may seem malevolent, but it's important to remember that no physical pain could ever outweigh the agony of infinite knowledge.
My brain exploded.
Now, looks like our time here may be almost up.
Now it looks like you are lying here, maybe almost
But before you go, it's time for Usagi.
This.
This is Philbus.
I want to see.
It's just about time for us to part ways. The re-cleansing process will now commence. This early auditory procedure will ensure you do not come away from this with any feelings from beyond the contract during your viewing experience. Please close your eyes and do not open them until told to do so.
Open goals. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, please. Close.
Ano sakit niya?
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Hindi na nga siya ng lagayan na para maayos siya.
Bro, I'm closing you. What do you mean people
You may
them
now
close?
open your eyes. Thank you for compliance. Thank you for attending Dr. Nowhere's Office of Wonders. We hope that you enjoyed your stay.
That was the end. Hey guys, my name is Wordly. How did you make this video when you are 70 years old?
Hindi.
So goodbye.